Packing details. Quick start guides. The antenna. This is the power supply. Product details. This QR code is used for adding the device to the app. Insert the micro SIM card. Please pay attention to the direction of the SIM card. The antenna installation. Connect the antenna. Connect to the power. The SIG light is turned on. Press the SW key to turn on the lamp. Before app control, please ensure that the SIG light is in a state of blinking every 2 seconds. Turn on and off the lamp using the WLTE app. Make sure the SIG light is flashing before sending a text message command. Send the turn on command, SN0000 on. Make a phone call to turn off the light with the controller. The relay output can be connected to an AC contactor. When the AC contactor is connected, the input status also changes. Turn on all. Turn off all. Demo of power outage alert. You will immediately receive notifications from the app, SMS, and email when the device loses power. SMS alarm notification on mobile phone. Email alarm notification. Push notification on app. Power interface. RS485 interface. For analog inputs. For dry contact inputs. For relay outputs. For buttons for relays control. PT100 transmitter wiring diagram. Take out cold water and hot water and immerse the PT100 transmitter probe into the cold water. Low temperature trigger, relay 1 automatically turns on. SMS alarm notification on mobile phone. Email alarm notification. Push notification on app. Place the PT100 into hot water. Temperature is above 30 degrees Celsius, relay 1 turns to off. SMS alarm notification on mobile phone. Email alarm notification. Push notification on app.